beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're going to be making this fluffy carrot pancake, and on my list I have flour, sugar, melted butter, powdered milk, egg, baking powder, salt, water, carrots. So in my bowl I'm going to be adding in my flour, and this flour is sifted already and is clean. Sugar, salt, baking powder, powdered milk. So I'll go ahead to mix everything to combine together. So I'm going to mix this properly to combine together. Okay, this is my egg. I'm cracking this egg separately into another bowl to ensure that the egg is in a good condition. Okay, so seeing it, my egg is okay. So with a fork, I'm going to whisk this egg a bit before transferring it into the bowl where I have my flour. So this is my egg, I'm transferring it into my bowl. Next is melted butter and water. So I'm adding this water gradually, so I'll know the quantity of water I'm going to be needing. And I ended up using 1 cup of water, which is about 250 ml of water. So mix everything together. If you still have lumps in your batter, don't worry, it will go off when you are frying it. Okay, so we'll set this aside to rest for 3 to 5 minutes. And this is my carrots. It's washed and I'm going to be grating this carrot. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel, join the family, give this video a like, a thumbs up, and share to your loved ones. Okay, so I'm done with the carrots and I'm going to be transferring it into the bowl, and I'll mix everything to combine together. And look at how colorful this is. So mix everything to combine together. Adding veggies to your meals are advisable and very healthy too. And I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone that has supported me in one way or the other, watching my videos, sharing me out, super chatting me. Thank you for all your love. So this is my butter in my pan already, so I'll be frying this on a very low heat to avoid your pancake from turning into a burnt offering. So we'll cook this on the low heat, and you know that this is ready to flip when you see this bubble formed on top of the pancake. So you flip over and you fry it till golden brown, and this is looking good already. Eggs in your batter helps to bind everything together. Melted butter adds some moisture and richness to the pancake. Of course, baking powder is essential to ensuring that the pancake rises while cooking and bake through properly. You can go ahead to add vanilla extract or cinnamon powder or nutmeg too. And if you have leftover pancake, don't worry, you can store it inside the fridge for about 5 days. And when you want to use it, you just reheat it for like 30 to 60 seconds before flipping over. Okay, look at how this pancake is looking. This is so good. It was actually tasty. It was good. All right, so I'll see you in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. See you in my next one. From me is bye-bye. Thank you for watching.